EPA 608 Practice Test 2026 Environmental Protection Agency, Full Course Understanding Certification. Question 1. What is the purpose of the EPA 608 certification? To ensure technicians know how to fix a furnace. To ensure the safe handling and emission reduction of refrigerants. To increase the cost of HVAC services. To test driving skills. Environmental protection and safe handling are the goals. Question 2. Does an EPA 608 certification expire? Yes, every 2 years. Yes, every 5 years. No, it is currently a lifetime certification. Only if you change jobs. Currently, the 608 certification does not expire. Question 3. Who oversees the EPA 608 regulations? NASA. The Environmental Protection Agency. The Department of Energy. The FBI. The EPA manages these regulations under the Clean Air Act. Question 4. What is the Significant New Alternatives Policy, SNAP? A plan for new taxes. An EPA program to identify and evaluate substitutes for ozone-depleting substances. A type of insurance. A new refrigerant brand. SNAP evaluates safe alternatives. Question 5. What is stratospheric ozone? Bad ozone at ground level. Good ozone high in the atmosphere that protects from UV radiation. Pollution from cars. A type of refrigerant. It protects Earth from harmful UV rays. Question 6. How many chlorine atoms can one chlorine molecule destroy in the ozone layer? 1 100. 1000 100,000. One chlorine atom can destroy 100,000 ozone molecules. Question 7. Which component of a CFC molecule causes ozone depletion? Carbon. Fluorine. Chlorine. Hydrogen. Chlorine is the primary culprit. Question 8. Where is the ozone hole most prominent? Over the equator. Over the North Pole. Over Antarctica. Over New York City. The hole is most severe over Antarctica. Question 9. What is a isotropic refrigerant blend? A blend that acts like a single component. A blend with glide that evaporates and condenses at different temperatures. A refrigerant that is 100% water. A blend that is flammable. Isotopes, like R407C, have temperature glide. Question 10. What is an azeotropic blend? A blend that behaves like a single component refrigerant. A blend with high glide. A blend of oil and water. A flammable gas. Azeotropes, like R502, have no glide. Question 11. What is temperature glide? The way a thermometer moves. The range of temperatures over which a refrigerant blend boils or condenses at a constant pressure. The speed of cooling. Ice melting. Glide occurs in isotropic blends. Question 12. What does HFC stand for? High frequency cooling. Hydrofluorocarbon. Highly flammable chemical. Heating and food center. HFCs contain hydrogen, fluorine, and carbon. Question 13. What is the main advantage of HFC refrigerants? They are cheaper. They have zero ODP. They work in old machines. They smell like flowers. HFCs do not deplete the ozone layer. Question 14. What is the main disadvantage of HFCs? They are toxic. They have high global warming potential, GWP. They are illegal. They are too cold. HFCs contribute significantly to global warming. Question 15. Which oil is commonly used with HFC refrigerants? Mineral oil. Polyester oil. Vegetable oil. Motor oil. PO is the standard synthetic oil for HFCs. Question 16. Can you mix different refrigerants in one system? Yes, always. No, never. Only if they are both HFCs. Only on Tuesdays. Mixing refrigerants makes them impossible to reclaim and can damage equipment. Question 17. What is the Montreal Protocol? A French cooking guide. An international treaty to phase out ozone-depleting substances. A type of air conditioner. A law in Canada. It is the global agreement that drives these regulations. Question 18. Which refrigerant is an HCFC? R12. R22. R134A. R410A. R22 is a hydrochlorofluorocarbon. Question 19. Are HFO, hydrofluorolefin, refrigerants ozone depleters? Yes. No. HFOs have zero ODP and very low GWP. Question 20. True or false, it is legal to vent to minimize quantities of refrigerant during normal service? True. False. Minor releases during connecting/disconnecting hoses are permitted.